Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. Solution: 361 by 19 minus square root of 360 in whole square root. Now this can be written as 361 by 19 minus square root of 360. Now we are going to multiply by 19 plus square root of 360 and divide by the same 19 plus square root of 360 in whole square root. Now this can be written as 361 times 19 plus square root of 360 by 19 minus square root of 360 times 19 plus square root of 360 in whole square root. Now we know this formula that a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 361 times 19 plus square root of 360 by 19 square root of 360 square in whole square root. Now 361 19 plus square root of 360 by this 19 square is 361 minus this square and square root will cancel each other. So 316 whole square root. (361) times 19 plus square root of 360 by 361 minus 360 is 1 in whole square root. So this can be written as 361 times 19 plus square root of 360 in whole square root. Now we are going to apply this formula, that is square root of ab equal to square root of a times square root of b. This formula we are going to apply here. So (180), 2 here, 90, here 245, here 3, 15, here we'll have 3, finally 5. So this square root of 360 can be written as 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 3 times of 3 times of 5 in whole square root. Now we are going to take this out. So 2 times 3 square root of remaining 2 and 5. 2 times of 5. So we have 2 times of 3 square root of 10. Now ten. Nineteen square root of 10 plus 9 plus 2 times 3 square root of 10. Now we are going to apply this. So 19 square root of, we are going to apply this formula here. So 10 square root of square, 9 can be written as 3 square plus 2 times of 3 square root of 10. Now here we are going to apply algebra formula, that a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab equal to a plus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 19 square root of 10 plus 3 whole square. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. Now 19 times of square root of 10 plus 3. This is the one answer. Other one is 19 square root of 10 plus 51. This is the answer for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.